How to refer a friend on Revolut. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in today's guide video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can refer a friend on Revolut. So just make sure to watch this video till the very end. So if you'd like to refer a friend on the Revolut app so that you can get hopefully some discounts and free gifts, all you have to do is go ahead and just launch the Revolut application here. Then just make sure that you're signed into your account either using your biometric authentication or whatever. And then you want to tap your profile icon from the top left hand side of the screen here. Once you tap the profile icon here, you'll find an option called invite friends, and if you'd like to refer a friend, all you have to do is just go ahead and select the option called invite friends here. And then once you go ahead and select invite friends, you can see your friends have to send and request money, split and settle bills, save money together, and all you have to do is just tap on invite friends button. You can just share the link, or you can enable contacts permission to send the invite link to anybody else, or you can share the link, copy it, and then you can just send it to anyone else you prefer. When your friends tap on the link and then create an account using your link, both of you are going to get some rewards. This is how you can refer a friend on Revolut. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.